This is the AirPod 1, the original. It's a couple of years old and it's on version 6.8.8. But with a lot of you people, and the same as me, when you put the earphones in or the AirPods into your ears, they work for 3 or 4 minutes, then they cut out. It seems like a Bluetooth connectivity. I've done many things with this. For example, I've pressed the, let's get to the camera. I pressed the reset button here, if you can see that. I've stopped and started it. I forgot my device. I disconnected the device on my phone here. Excuse me, not very clear. And I don't know what to do. The AirPods automatically update and they work perfectly well for a couple of years, but now they are not at the moment. So it's frustrating, and I'm just doing this video to ask if anyone knows the fix. I've read all the articles that you plug it into the charging case, you press the button, you reset it, and then you go to your general settings on your iPhone, making sure that you're connected to your AirPods. Then after general, you go to about and you can see the update. And I have the latest update, but it doesn't work basically. So if anyone knows a little secret or a hack, I would love to know it. Or if anyone from Apple is listening, hi Apple, how are you? Please can you fix this problem? I can't afford the AirPods Pro. I can't afford a brand new pair of AirPods. I want these ones to work because they work perfectly well until, let's say, September last year when they started to cut out. And I don't know the reason why. And looking at all the other articles on communities related to Apple, I can't see any other solutions there. It's a firmware problem. It feels like it may work perfectly well for the AirPods Pro or the AirPods 2, but for the original AirPods, this one, the firmware is shockingly bad that it just stops and starts. Okay, so again, I repeat, if anyone knows, please let me know. Otherwise, when they do work, everything is fine. No problem. You can see that I maintain them quite well. They looked after. There, no problem. There's a little mark there. The case works well, everything, but nothing. It doesn't work. So, AirPods firmware 6.8.8 don't work. It's bad. Thank you for your time. It's something I can never get back to you. My name is James. Please do like, subscribe and share. And do look at the channel on my YouTube channel, or my playlist on my YouTube channel related to Apple Hacks, I think it's called, the Apple Channel Hack, something like that, where you can see lots of articles related to all things Apple and some problems that you may have that I have been able to help you and fix. And things like with your Wi-Fi router to give you better speeds, go to the the gadgets channel on my playlist, and you can see lots of things there as well. That's it from me. Thank you very much for the time. Sorry it's a little bit of a boring video, but I'm just wondering if anyone has a solution apart from the ones posted already, which means you can't do anything manually. Is there any kind of system or any hack that we can use? Thank you and a pleasant day. Bye bye.